In this video, we will show you the every steps of making ghee by Bellona method. So make sure you watch the entire video. The first step is to milking the cow. So this cow calf is drinking the milk of her mother. So this is very important step to clean the nipples of cow. So this is basically the milking process of cow. After the milking is completed, we store the raw milk of cow in earthen pot or whatever you call it, because this is the best and natural way according to Ayurveda to store the milk. Here is the store of cow duck cake. We call it uple in Hindi or whatever you call it. So we use them to boil the raw milk of cow. Break down in small pieces for constant flame. Put the milk pot on flame. This boiling process of milk will take around 8 to 9 hours to complete it on a constant flame for entire day. Here is the clips of milk during daytime. You can see the malai, the cream of milk. We boil the milk to ensure free from any nasty bacteria. Then we will use this milk once it cools down. Now we are going to add the curd to the milk in order to produce more curd. After adding the curd to the milk, just simply change the earthen pot, because we should not use the same pot for curd. So I am going to change the pot. Now we leave this pot for entire night at normal room temperature. In the morning, next morning, you will find the whole milk has turned into curd. This is natural curd. It's actually very healthy and tasty. You should definitely try it once. This is very tasty actually. You can see the curd, very natural. This is the cream of curd. We call it malai. The next step is to churn the curd. For this step, we use Bellona method at our farm because according to Ayurveda, pure ghee should be prepared by using traditional Bellona method. We use the same for our farm. So make sure whatever you use it should rotates in both ways, clockwise and anti-clockwise, because that will keep the curd cool. This process will take around 25 to 30 minutes to complete. Here you can see the butter. The next step is to skim the butter. To store the butter, again we use a small earthen pot because it is very natural. So we are now skimming the butter from buttermilk. And as you can see, this is very natural butter. After remove the buttermilk, or we call lassi in Hindi, left in this pot. Buttermilk is not for sale in villages because you can't sell. Everyone have their own. The next step is to make ghee. We heat up the butter until it all becomes liquid. We heat it on a medium flame. So as you can see, this is the purest form of ghee. After the ghee is prepared, store it in a glass jar. If you want this desi cow bilona ghee from our village farm, just WhatsApp or call us on 9728309588 or order from our site sudhstore.com. As you can see above on the screen, all India delivery is available. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and share it with others. And also make sure you also press the bell icon to get all the notification. Thank you.